First, click a button and and send and set a picture. Let's try this. Make a biggest button and this and make sure this is a mode one. And go down and click scripts. Click character play animation and click your animation. Click your any animation you want and I will click my move one. And go again in and click edit and sound, audio, and choose your audio. Choose your audio anything you want. Okay, and I will click this. Wait. It's okay. And now let's play. Let's click it. It's hurt, sorry. But it's good. And and oh no. Next I will compare. Let's try again. Okay, click it.